Look at that new design! LG is really onto something here!
Damn!
Most of our smartphones have overall the same design. Come to think of it, iPhone, Samsung and other brands offer the same design because I guess no one is complaining. But LG decided to change our habits. And if you're new here to my channel, bonjour et bienvenue. My name is Céline, I'm a Belgian TV journalist and my YouTube channel is all about high-tech. Now that you et moi, we know each other, let's play with the LG Wing.
With LG Wing, the first phone in LG's new Explorer project, LG aims to experiment with new smartphone form factors and features. The clever part is that when you take it out of the box, it looks like a regular phone. Sure, it's a little thicker and a lot heavier than most devices, but the usual design elements are all there. Tall glass panel with curved sides, glossy glass back with a huge multi-lens camera bump, USB-C port and no headphone jack. Then you switch it on and the movement becomes addictive. The swivel phone with two displays is unlike anything we've seen on a modern smartphone. I just love innovations. Whenever a new device is out, I'm kind of disappointed there are only changes on the edge of the phone. Here, with the LG Wing, I am impressed how well its design works in both modes. And this is addictive. Swiveling the display is incredibly smooth. For the record, LG claims you can swivel the Wing 200,000 times before any significant problems occur. That's enough to allow you to swivel back and forth 50 times a day for over 10 years. When in swivel mode, the back of the main display is exposed. LG added a dot matrix design here that looks pretty classy. It's a nice touch even if you won't see it too often in regular use. Due to the design of the swiveling display, a front-facing selfie camera wasn't possible. That's why the LG Wing has a pop-up selfie camera. As with other similar systems, it only pops out when you need it. When in swivel mode, you get some more options, like in the camera menu. Slide it, and you can see you have a gimbal option. With follow mode, FPV mode, and lock mode, no need for a gimbal anymore. Let's compare the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the LG Wing. And this is the dual mode. On the left hand side I can see the road, and on the right hand side I can see my face. That's awesome. So I can talk and at least I know that I'm not gonna stumble. Well, you never know, right? It also has some funny augmented reality options inside the photo and video menu. How awesome is that?
So what do you think about this new smartphone? Let's talk about it in the comment section down below. Et les amis, don't forget to like and subscribe because I want to see you next week for more reviews, tutorials and fun. Take good care of yourselves. Salut!